take this material right here and we'll check it with a metal detector. Because if you got a piece of gold in there that size, you don't want to get rid of it, right? No, we don't like catch and release.
No bass fishing?
Alright, so we'll get that dissolved. Now a lot of times if you're going to be doing this all day, then you probably want a brush like this that doesn't wear your gloves or your hands out. So then we'll just move it around, get our rocks clean. I mean, that's all mining is cleaning your rocks. Now I'm going to take and get most of the rest of this dumped in there, and we'll dump it in low so we're not overfeeding the cube. Oops, it went in there. That's yours. You're taking it back with you anyway.
Yeah, that's the best part out of the bottom.
Right. Got a little bit more lift in there.
So what's the name of your company?
Gold Cube. We got a website, goldcube.net. Shameless plug. Alright, so let's process the rest of this stuff through the cube. Now we'll dump all this out and metal detect it. So I'm just going to go ahead and we'll stop the process. I'm going to pull this mat. This is where all the big stuff is. We'll just set this aside. Now these gold banker has 3 little drop ripples in there. All right, there's going to be gold in there. So let's go ahead and pull this apart. Go ahead and slide that out and just throw the water back there. Alright, so we're going to the red tub. Where's the red tub at?
Back pocket.
Back pocket. So what I'm going to do is do all my panning in here. That'll give you the tailings from this. Tailings from this is going to be where a lot of your good stuff is, so we want to keep all your good stuff in the same area. All right.
These are from great drop ripples in the top of that slide.
Yeah, that's the first place to catch us, all right?
That's right.
Want to see your gold?
Woo!
That's usually
Yeah, I'll go see that.
That's good.
Woohoo! Wow. We know where there's more.
Yeah, there's a lot up all the way up through there. Now, there's a company in Washington State, Camas, Washington, called Columbia River Mining Supplies. They've got this spin it off. Now, what the spin it off will do is
Magnet.
pulls the black sand out of there. And you see how the black sand is see how it walks?
Yeah, it releases anything that...
Right, so it's releasing anything that's non-magnetic. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this in what we call the cleanup tailings. I'll see if we can get some more out of there.
That'll make hammering the gold.
Do you have those here with you?
I don't. This is one that he gave me just to show off.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Should have given them more.
so I'm showing off. Okay. So now let's take another look at the gold that's in there.
Actually, yours is in the.
Get about 10 of them.
Did you use mine? Did you use the one I gave you?
Yeah.
Okay, you've still got yours locked in. We could sell that if.
I'm going to order up some of those, Mike, and take them down to Martin at our club down there and give some of them away as prizes and
Yeah.
do that too.
Okay. See all that gold now?
You want me to swiffer it?
Oh yeah, we'll sniffer it up.
Okay.
Nice. And that's just the gold bunker. There's still gold in the cube.
Good job, Abo. And we haven't even gotten to the bottom part though. Well, there won't be too far down, but
It'll be the top tray will have all the good.
Mike Pung showing off at Stanton Lost Dutchmen Mine.
You just dump that into the cube too, and that way you just.
Yeah, so we'll just put the rest of this into the tailings of the panning.
you want to get your Swiffer bottle?
What
for the
about
rest of
your
it?
Yeah.
Because there's going to be a lot of it in
backup
there.
stuff here?
Probably.
This is
Does that count?
that's just garbage. We'll go ahead and put it in our bucket. Yeah, so we're gonna clean up into the pan.
Let's see how much comes out. We'll just whatever evens out. What do you think, Gobble?
Good day.
We'll split it up. Oh, look at that! A geologist sitting right next to you. Isn't that amazing? What's your name, sir? Scott. So what was the last name?
Zylstra.
Where's that? Oh, Dutch.
Yeah.
That's right. I remember that. So here we go with the rest of this product that we got out of the ground. We can't tell anybody where we got
A
it.
secret location, yeah.
Yeah. But we got lucky today.
Most of what you're seeing there has gone through the cube and is coming back through the pump, so it doesn't have every in that pot right there.
Yeah, I did have some sloppy on there though. So.
Oh, that's right. And now,
Uphill and overhill and through 5 feet of snow.
Yeah, so there'll be most of our gold's going to be just that much material right there. Now, if we want, we'll just pan out the one tray, and then we'll pan out the rest of it separately.
now see, he's just splashing water on it. If you're scared about it's holding on to too much, you take the water from the hose from the battery and just squirt it on. And it'll go wash down right into your pan.
Yeah, I think I'm going to buy that. No, I shouldn't say that. I should say I'm buying one from you, right? Instead of buying that gold cube back from that guy, because I sold a gold cube to this guy. And now I think I'm going to see if I can get it back. If not, then I'll have to buy one from you. Because I don't think he's going to give it up.
What'd you sell it for?
But you don't want to know. With the trommel, I gave it to him for $400.
Holy crap!
You
what a
better
deal.
hope he wants it back. That's about 11.
But you know, me and him, we trade Rolexes once a month. I mean, we're just traders, you know. So we trade gold and just a bunch of stuff. So if I just catch him at the right time, it may work. But he's no dummy. He got a good deal.
Offer him your other Rolex because you only got one wrist. No, you do. Yeah, two.
Yeah, but we have plenty of those babies.
A bunch of them, and they go off with the metal detector too.
Yeah, I should have brought that. You guys should see this one presidential with these big diamonds I have.
Oh, I had one like that.
Yeah, I saw your watch the other day. It was.
Oh, I had one.
Does it trip
My
most in
wife
the
sold
first
it
2 layers?
for
Yeah, 95% is going to be in the first layer.
2 months mortgage
Now, being such
and
a short run,
$1,000. She thought it was
it didn't
better.
have
I didn't
a
wear
whole
it.
lot of time to get rid of the gold that got trapped in the 3 drop riffles. So I don't know how much is going to be in here. We'll just have to see. But those drop riffles will hold it for a while. And it's a real good indicator area.
Yeah, for me, it's fun because I just sell them anyways.
Yeah,
I just wear them for a little while and then sell them.
I usually hang on to them, but I don't wear them. So I got a drawer that has 4 or 5
Rolexes are so easy to sell that I have people to buy them before I even get them.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, especially secondhand.
Yeah. Pre-owned. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's gold in there.
Of course there is.
I don't think there's as much
It's got a
as,
magic touch.
yeah, I don't think there's as much as what was in the first
Yeah,
one.
that thing catches it all, huh?
It did a really good job.
Yeah.
Not bad. It's something.
Nice. Look at that, Avo.
I see that.
His father and him, they're manufacturers. They make jewelry.
Oh yeah.
And so they have all the machines to cast and everything. So he gets a kick out of me and him going out looking for gold because it's another world. You know?
Right. It's a
What we
source.
do is another world compared to this. Oh, wait till you see my cards. Because I have a laser engraver and a cutter. So I make my own cards.
Oh, Mike, I need more than one card. I'm gonna be passing them out.
That's
Okay.
You need more than
metal
that.
detecting.
I'll get a
Look
hold
at
of
this.
it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice. It's heart shaped.
All right. Let's see
Oh, that's,
if anything made it to the next
Beast
three.
stuff.
I won some really good
45 grams.
nuggets.
I think it's about 30, almost an ounce.
And I had to drill some
Looks
up to
like
put
an arrow.
Monster, huh?
Yeah, it is. Nice.
We were gonna bring some jewelry just to sell, and then we would be worried about where it's at. We're gonna be out there digging and sitting in the truck, and
Yeah, work takes the fun out of it.
yeah. It's either one or the other, work or fun, right?
That's right. Make it yours.
Anyway, it could be both. Like you seem to have a lot of
My
fun.
life.
Yeah, you seem to have fun.
Yeah, I'm gonna put both of these. Yeah.
I guarantee it's not too fun.
Well, you could be fighting traffic in LA, you know. I mean, once you get out here, God, it's amazing.
We have to pass through sometimes Denver and Phoenix. And
Where do you guys live?
In Oklahoma City area.
I did too.
Oklahoma City.
Oklahoma.
Wow. That's crazy. How's the tornadoes?
Oh, urban redevelopers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I almost moved to Texas, but I just don't like tornadoes. So Arizona's my next possibility. I like Wickenburg.
yeah,
It's beautiful. Whoever's running the town is doing a great job.
Not a single piece.
it's,
So it all stayed in the first tray.
Awesome.
Wow. Not bad.
that's off. So on account of it was a third of a bucket.
Yeah.
If we'd have put 3 buckets full, we'd have had to go the whole trays.
And that was fast.
So we got gold also from the other cleanup guy.
Yeah.
All we did was we took. Where's that cart?
Oh, Krieger?
The cart's back here. See this cart back here? We just filled it up with dirt
30,
and drove
40,
it straight over to
40
him.
shovel.
And he ran the whole thing.
Yeah.
So that was kind of cool. He
We
just
only
ran
had
that.
we only had half a cart though on that one.
Yeah. So tomorrow we know what to do.
Full cart.
Because everybody's was like this, carrying the buckets all from one side to the other.
And they're like
And we
going
just
one or
filled
two
this thing
buckets.
up. And it was cool. And then when we shoveled it into the dry washer, we were way up here.
Did you bring
So the shovel load was from here to in the dry washer. It was so short.
This is all mine.
Yeah. Okay. I could be fine.
All right, we did a 14-minute. We're gonna do a YouTube video for this one. So I appreciate the help, and you know you're doing a great thing out here for prospectors.
Okay,
So-
good deal. I enjoy it.
What was your name again, and where do you suggest people could buy this gold cube?
Mike Pong at goldcube.net, 1-800-649-0256.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
So these are your cons that we just pan through. And I pan through them quickly, and there's a chance there may be a piece or two left in there. So if you've got something to put those in,